Microsoft Planner is, in my opinion, one of the most unknown and underrated productivity tools out there. And the best part is you probably already have it if your company has a subscription to Microsoft 365 Business Basic. And in most cases, they typically do. And if you're managing a project with a lot of moving parts, chances are you won't be doing it alone. That's why one of my favorite features available in Planner is the ability to assign tasks to others. Here's how to do it. Here you can see my demo project where we're looking to roll out an update to all our customers' computers. With hundreds of computers to manage, this isn't going to be a one-man job. So here we see that we've got a few tasks lined up for the rollout. First, we need to test the update for bugs on our own systems, announce the update to all our customers, and then finally we need to roll it out. To let people know who's responsible for what task, it's as simple as clicking on the task and then hitting assign. Since I'm in charge of making these announcements, I'm going to assign this task to myself. This is going to bring up a list of all the people that are currently members of the plan. You can update the list in the top right corner by clicking on Members and then searching for the people to add. Anyone who's assigned a task in Planner will receive an email notification letting them know. You can even filter tasks in the plan so you know exactly which are assigned to you so you don't have to break your head trying to find yours. If you use Microsoft To Do to manage your to-do list, it'll even show up directly in there. Now you can delegate tasks like a pro. If you have any questions about Planner or any of the other tools included in your Microsoft 365 suite, make sure to reach out to us.